We're fully embracing the summer vibes here in rural Japan, taming wild vines and seeking solace indoors with refreshing meals and air conditioning. If you're a new or returning visitor, welcome. I'm Mika, this is Jessie, and we're Canadians living in an Akiya house, one of Japan's many abandoned homes. Here are the summer highlights of August living in the Japanese countryside. As the summer heat persists, our quest for a new Akiya house in this beautiful part of Japan continues. For those new to our story, we're currently renting our house, but hoping to find a larger Akiya while still caring for our current home. We've been exploring various options, such as online Akiya bank directories, browsing real estate listings, and keeping an eye on city auctions. However, the reality is that many of these Akiya houses never make it onto these resources. We've gotten more creative in our search, driving country roads and looking for telltale signs of an abandoned house. We are cautious not to overstep or intrude on privacy, and rather, rely on our network of friends familiar with the area to help break the ice when we inquire about these properties. Deteriorating roofs and overgrown vegetation can often signal an abandoned residence. But looks can be misleading. Recently, we came across an intriguing house, only to discover that it wasn't entirely abandoned.
It is.
Many abandoned homes in Japan can still be utilized by families, such as for storage, occasional visits, or just as a way to hold on to special family memories. For now, the search continues. Late summer also offers experiences exclusive to this season, such as the delightfully sweet Shine Muscat grapes, a special treat during this time of year. Unfortunately, our bedroom has also been getting an increasing number of unwelcome visitors.
You look kind of skinny.
To bolster our defenses against these pests, we bought a bug tent to keep out the dreaded mukade centipedes and the persistent mosquitoes that have been particularly bothersome this year. Setting up this simple tent was unexpectedly challenging, but that might be due to a pair of bumbling Canadians and a dog a little too eager to lend a helping paw.
Not helping me. What's this? Woo-hoo.
I think that's it, isn't it?
What's going on? What are we not getting? I don't know if this is gonna fit. Pancake, get out of there, you. Yeah, it needs to be pushed all the way over. Not
This
yet.
isn't gonna work.
Okay. Why is he back on it? What the hell are you doing?
Well, what do you want to do?
I guess we put it away.
You want to have another night with mosquitoes?
Yeah.
Ugh.
Will it fit without our mattresses?
rack?
Because then we could just put it on top of our mattresses.
Put what on top of them?
The tent.
Oh, yeah.
Let's try that. Why is it so small?
What are you doing?
Pancake, you are a disaster.
Okay, this might work.
I'd sleep on this though, that looks fine.
It's just like crammed in there like sardines.
So romantic.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, hush down.
Okay.
It's perfect. Oh.
Farmers have already started harvesting their rice crops this year. As they work their fields, we turn our attention to our own home maintenance work. After discovering pools of water on our kitchen floor, we investigated and discovered a broken drainage pipe, requiring Jesse to excavate the underground pipe to make necessary repairs.
How long does it take? Oh, it goes right away. Look at pipes in the pipe for this. Now this looks like the good clean pipe that goes down to the drain. Starts there and that's why we started having problems in the first place. That's why they work so well.
During the waning days of summer, our neighborhood comes alive with the vibrant energy of the Summer Matsuri Festival. The festival was an array of events with loads of drink, food, and games. we're making the most of the hot season we have left. This fall, we have many more exciting things to come.
Right up the nostril.
If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
はい、ありがとうございました。